Okay, I just jumped in here. I just got on, I didn't really look at it, so this was a rush trade. I'm going to put my target here. It's just at this swing low, because that's the major swing low right there. That's the only reason it's there. We just had the open, and move this around a lot, and I apologize for that. This looks like it was the overnight high. So when I compare these numbers here, the total volume to the total volume through here, and the volume delta was getting less right here, and it drove it up here with less volume delta here. And once this right here held, sorry, I'm going to drag this down here a little bit. Once this level here held for the overnight low and came back down, I jumped in right here. And I was looking at the numbers, but I was comparing these numbers here basically to the ones over here, is what I was comparing them to. So, and that's a lot of effort to not get much farther than this right here. And that's what I was looking at. What we need is for this candle here to close below here. That would be great. Right there. And we do have swing low here, so we need to get below that one. So we did close below this. Now we're retesting it. And so I just dragged it from here to here, because that's what's going to be retested along with this one right here. If this holds, we should have a chance to go to this one right here. But we need that to hold. We did get supply to come in, and there's almost no demand here on the inbox histogram. I'll move this back up here because that's what we're running against right now. Right there, if that can hold, we'll go to here and to here, if this will hold. And all I was looking at really quick, this is the only chart I really looked at, was this was the overnight high, as it shows right there. And yes, we were on a trend up, but it looked like we were starting to try to roll over. So when price went up there to retest the overnight high, looking at these numbers here, along with these numbers over here, it just looked like there was a ton of effort to only get to right there. And I wasn't even looking down here at inbox histogram. So I was mainly looking at what price was doing. So this held twice. Now we got down here. We're getting more supply to come in here. So I'm going to trail this a little bit to right there. Right there. My target is just right here, this extreme, and I call it extreme because yes, we have lower lows, but this right here is what's happening. This is the lowest low in this whole area here. That's why I call it the extreme low. So I'm going to trail this again to right there, just above this fractal low right here. And we're getting more, demand is stronger here. So I probably should move my stop down. But I have it here for a reason. Okay, I'm out. My stop is there for a reason, and I know why it's there. So I'm not worried about if it goes below that. I'm trading I'm trading what the chart is giving me. And I should have listened to, I don't look at the inbox histogram a lot. I use it for certain things, and I should have just now, as I mentioned, I should have moved my stop probably to here, somewhere in this area here, because this is going to be the next low it's going to go after. But I'm okay with that. I put it there for a reason, and I'm not someone who's going to move my stops and everything a lot. But with the supply getting so large down here, that would have been a good reason to move my target right here. There's pretty much zero demand anywhere through here, so I should have moved my stop down here somewhere, even to the low. Maybe that's the trading day lows over here. So I could have done that. I chose not to. The extreme low, this extreme swing here was my target. I just left it there. So kind of rambled on there at the end, and I apologize for that. I'm just trying to look at things and go through my head. Thanks.